Feeling okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
No.
Of course you are.
5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just do it.
Take a nice deep breath. There we go. Piercing done. Oh, free money.
Yeah, mama.
You okay?
Yeah, fuck it.
It isn't pleasant. Nice deep breath again for me. There we
Oh,
go.
that didn't hurt as much. I fucking really shit myself. There's no